Welcome to Best Choice. The best TCL Roku TV remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for unlocking the full potential of your smart television, offering seamless navigation through a vast universe of streaming content, intuitive control over your viewing experience, and the convenience of accessing all your favorite apps and channels with just a few clicks, making it an indispensable tool for any modern home entertainment setup. Number 5. Roku Replacement Remote, 2-pack. Tired of a broken remote? This is a 2-pack replacement remote designed for various Roku models like Express, Premier, and Roku 1 through 4. Please note, it is not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. This remote does not have a pairing button, headphone jack, voice search, volume control, or a power button. If your original remote has a pairing button, this is not the correct replacement for you. This IR replacement remote is specifically made for Roku Box, Roku Express, Roku Player, Roku Premier, and Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will not work with any Roku stick or Roku TV models. Enjoy instant access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus with a single press. Get started right away. No programming is needed. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to control your Roku device instantly. Each package includes 2 replacement remotes and 1 user manual. Experience long-distance transmission up to 8 meters with a quick 0.2-second response time. What we like. This is a great option if you need a backup remote or want to replace a lost one for your Roku Express or Premier. It's designed for simplicity, working right out of the box with no setup required. If you primarily use your Roku for streaming basic channels and don't need advanced features like volume control, this is a cost-effective choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly with the TCL Roku TV, allowing full control over all functions. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to use for extended periods. All the buttons are responsive and well-placed, providing a seamless user experience. Number 4. ZdalaMit Universal Roku TV Remote. Introducing the ZdalaMit Universal Remote, designed to seamlessly control your TCL Roku TV and many other Roku TV brands. It's the perfect replacement for your lost or broken remote. This remote is compatible with a vast range of Roku TV models from brands like Hisense, Insignia, On, Sharp, and more. It's engineered to work with numerous specific remote models, ensuring a great fit. Forget complicated programming. Simply insert batteries, and it works right out of the box. No pairing or setup is required for immediate use. Enjoy a reliable experience with a 33-foot working distance. Each key has been rigorously tested for durability, ensuring over 17,000 clicks of life. Please note, this remote is specifically designed for Roku TV series and will not operate Roku players, boxes, or sticks. It's your dedicated TV companion. It supports a wide array of Roku TV models, including popular series like the TCL 4 series and 5 series, Hisense U series, and many more. Check the list to confirm compatibility. What we like. This remote is ideal for anyone with a TCL Roku TV or other compatible brands like Hisense, Insignia, or Sharp. It offers broad compatibility without any complicated programming. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use replacement that covers a wide range of Roku TV models, this is a solid pick. What people say. The remote is a perfect replacement for the original. It works exactly like the original remote, with all the buttons functioning correctly. The design is identical to the factory remote, making it easy to use. Number 3. Acoyer Replacement Remote for Roku TV, 2-pack. Never get caught without a remote again. This pack includes 2 replacement remotes, perfect for keeping a spare at home. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Roku TV. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. No complicated pairing or programming is required, making it a hassle-free experience. These remotes are specifically designed for a wide range of Roku TV models from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, Sharp, and more. Enjoy effortless control over your smart TV experience. Please note that these remotes are exclusively for Roku TV models. They are not compatible with Roku sticks, streaming sticks, or Roku boxes. Ensure your device is a Roku TV for proper functionality. Navigate your favorite apps with ease thanks to the convenient shortcut buttons. You can precisely control your TV from up to 30 feet away, with buttons designed for long-lasting use. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty and unlimited return and refund service. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This is perfect for households with multiple Roku TVs or if you want a spare. It's designed specifically for Roku TVs from major brands like TCL and Hisense, and it gets you to your favorite apps quickly. If you value convenience and want a simple, ready-to-go solution for your Roku TV, this 2-pack is a smart buy. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my TCL Roku TV, all buttons are responsive. It has a good design, easy to hold and navigate through menus. The voice control feature is very accurate and convenient for searching content. Number 2. TCL-Roku-TV Remote-Control RC280/RC282. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of TV brands, including TCL, Roku, Hisense, ON, Sharp, and Philips. It's the perfect replacement for your lost or broken remote. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box, so you can start watching your favorite shows immediately. Just insert batteries and go. Experience lightning-fast response times, under 0.2 seconds, for a smooth viewing experience. Plus, the buttons are built to last, withstanding over 100,000 clicks. Enjoy up to 6 to 8 months of regular use on a single set of batteries. This means less hassle and more time spent relaxing with your entertainment. Access your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy instant access to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Prime Video with just one press. Control your TV from across the room with a reliable signal transmission of over 8 meters. It's the ideal solution for replacing your original remote. What we like. This is an excellent replacement for your original TCL Roku TV remote, offering a fast and responsive experience. It's incredibly easy to set up, working immediately after inserting batteries. If you prioritize a seamless user experience with quick access to streaming apps and a reliable connection, this is the remote for you. What people say. The remote is a perfect replacement for the original TCL Roku TV remote. It works exactly like the original remote and is easy to set up. The buttons are responsive and the design is comfortable to hold. Number 1. TCL Roku TV Replacement Remote RC280. Get your TV up and running in no time. This remote works right out of the box, just insert batteries and you're good to go. It's designed to work with a wide range of TCL Roku TVs and other compatible brands. Enjoy seamless control over your viewing experience. This is a brand new, direct replacement remote. No programming or setup is required, making it a hassle-free solution. Easily navigate to your favorite streaming services with dedicated app keys. Access Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Vudu with a single press. Experience the convenience of a simple, reliable remote. It's the perfect accessory for your Roku TV, offering straightforward control. Beyond TCL, this remote is also compatible with various other Roku TV brands, ensuring broad usability for your entertainment needs. What we like. This remote is a straightforward replacement for many TCL Roku TV models, and it also works with other brands like ON and Philips. It's designed for immediate use, so you can start watching your favorite shows without any hassle. If you're looking for a no-fuss remote with quick access to apps like Netflix and Hulu, this is a great option. What people say. The remote is a perfect replacement for the original TCL Roku TV remote. It has all the buttons and functions of the original remote, including voice control and shortcut buttons for popular streaming services. The setup was very easy, just insert batteries and it works immediately without any programming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.